I greet everybody. Please help me to share. If you are hearing my voice, let me know. If the voice is not clear or the audio, let me just know. Also, now they fine. Also, now they fine, my people. This page, now no say we dey put one can put sense for their head. They confess. First of all, let's enjoy this one first. Oh, God, my brother. Edenoviadosa. Iwani Olawa. Yeah, boy. I tell you. Hello, my people. My lovely people. Me, I feel they see. I don't they see comment for what they use. Me, I look the other side. Hello, my lovely people. Now, good afternoon. Also, now they fine. Also, now they fine. Also, now they fine. That music now for mama boy. Yeah, boy. You we want we. You na wa gbe wa. We be see we who wa do we carry wo na ene. We be who we na do we carry wo na ene a. Wonya music ni ye boy. My people. E life na owo panu ya wan no ye give away. Egbewo na so no. Eri e do kai. I just watch Facebook. Now I can see one video where my man boy do. Oya mo ebogbe. Mo na help me share am. Omo ebogbe o hien vera. Ti ebone. Now I can see wetin dey happen. Wetin dey happen for there? Now I'll play the video. Mo na listen. Mo wa don me o. Mo na listen. Life na okpanu ya wan no give away. I'm also no make me when now. Any prayer you pray for your when you say you want pray for person, especially when that person not do you anything, especially not do you anything. When do I pray a prayer down your money? Wanna listen first before I go talk with you. I want talk. We want analyze iye boy video. Wait first. Me I fair play the one way. Only Vera. Ni wa boy Vera here.
The court come with the fan and I hope it
wait first.
Court. Like really?
No, wait.
So my people, when I call ye girlie for me, ye girlie, I hope it by. Mama girlie, call your brother sometimes you are losing it. Yes, so Vera not the light TV, of course.
Now only that one drop play. Only that one. This one done a young boy.
So Vera, we want to see your Vera talk show. We must see the truth. We want to see your document before we talk. Before we start. Vera, see money, you need the one. You see money. You see money. Only say the devil you gonna already say that they pay and they don't pay no buy the yes. Then you go to work one shot.
They come. You get where I want play.
You be. On a game and yalla you.
No one here.
Because Vera, usual fait you see,
this is a woman of 54 years old. Why damn me not allow? Why damn me? You can you only now go and get where I want reply this woman. Mona just the list. Why damn me? All this one where they do this one at their own. We shall not get interest. You get where me get interest for his side. When my man boy you want talk, I will stop for there. Then I will tell you now wait to make me on this live video.
In a yawa plastic. Did you see it? Vera, bring your own. Vera, Gabola with Boa Sungu. bastard in Ubieleje, Nigeria. Where we know with this is permesso di soggiorno, tempo indeterminato, hold defeated, tempo indeterminato e bene wuge. Vera, first of all, show me your document before I go ferry your woman. Vera, when we have 8 years, my video ni udiro, you are Timaro, una do agbi henju ni juale ni la imi.
Yeah, but yo, a video ni mesebe uwebege and when I do a mwebog, man, no mwebog be we. Na sure who gay, abu gay. This one is the same thing they pay. He can't pay. Ubege, a video ni meu, imega hamema. Mona no insult mama boy for my platform. Mona no insult anybody. Yeah, boy, come out. You know, watch my video. Oma ni yemaye de. Ona swa amwe bogbe. Yeah, boy, yo. A video ni mewe wewe se geya. Osi enak mi wani we. Eminu we hagoma uwe. We karege huwene. Do we kare woman. You see? Did you see it when a penny I don't insult you. You were this on my email one time with your boy. I like that woman. I don't know why. If you listen to my audio, and they all know they talk and say, I like that woman, I don't know why. But you fuck up. Una match when I match I say I go provoke you, you go come out. You must come out. If I tell you say that thing not pay me, I lie. Me not be the person where not the insult person. Especially when you don't do me anything. What you gonna make me come out, I can't insult you. You not concern me, concern you. If I want to talk to, if I want to put something to say on the quarrel, I want to put my opinion. I'm not gonna use that to insult you. But you come out. And you if they get the mind now, they tell Vera, say Vera not look the video where you do. You look the one where me do before you come out. The answer is no. You see, as they pay. You see, say Vera not look at. The one where me do, you look at, where you come out, you talk everything. Even picking where you not born, when or your back and here, you know more bogbe or more, where you don't know how they take bonding. They not even insult you. Even the mother not insult you. Even my own parents, you don't know them. You come out your mouth, you drive and go another place. I got to show you for this social media. You don't know me, I want leru neni mere, or efo, na be that. Now so I go they bring your video, they come one by one. See when you go come out, you go say what you talk. I beg, no verse. And I away. Then you never be. Hey, okay, man, like be ogbogo dono. Now so I be. I go talk your matter, you go reach in no years in nothing. Egbe they go where. You see, and before Monica, before I can say I don't forgive Monica, say ni was a boy, or Maggie ladi, or Maggie, because I may not say me rock back. Or Mattia Bove, the only one way bo. But then on that time, because person will not insult you. You don't get the right to insult that person, especially when not concern you concern. You come out. I saved that video. I don't tell you, I go provoke you, I can't join them. Then go finish. Me not go finish. Anytime where I do live video, I must put you. You see, I see the pain. You say Vera not watch the video. Say you not insult her. But me do video. Talk about what you talk for them. Say not be so senior till they behave. I not insult you. You run, come out. You not watch. You can't insult my enemy. Picking where you not born. The mother will not be your own. The father will not be your own. You insult everybody. Yeah, assume boy your wow. I don't talk. That's why I be. Especially when they respect you. Especially when I know, say, that person not concern me, concern her. I know if you find a trouble. You they analyze, me they analyze. I know they use my say I want to analyze you, they insult you. I know insult you from A to the end. I know insult you. I even they tell people, say, no, I'm not trying. If you insult that woman, it's like you are trying the insult to me. Yeah, but you know watch video. She run come out. Maybe the thief they do and say one day I go insult this woman. I want me to insult her because the woman not even they do saga. You don't know say if I enter saga because of you. For 3 years you walk back. That's why I be. That make me they stay my lane. I know they find trouble. But if you find me, say you want to find me, you not go finish. Especially when you go put person way not consign them. One of they listen to this woman. 54 years. Next she say she dey 54. All you bear ya fun to the social media. For the maybe if they say make they start now. What it concern you concern Vera? That girl said she wants to see the truth. You go leave and make defend the truth to the God. What it can concern you for his side? Since you know if he settled their matter, who see ya? Now some me they talk my own. Like me, I don't bone on everybody. When I see and say, me no even they come and say, we must see this one, we must do that one. No, I forget. If you as a senior, 54 years old, as you talk, say now you be, you not reach to settle matter. You not reach to say, Vera with Monica, what it can happen between two of you now? Because you know say they not get misunderstanding. Maybe now something happen when maybe Monica offend her or Vera now you offend Monica. You not feel called them because you dey fear that Monica. I don't know why you dey fear now. I don't tell you before, say not the fear person. If you don't want to talk to a person, you forget. Now ilele do you say you dey do. Ilele do magimo boma na saga na you can't do at your age. In what age a Vera high, maybe a Vera if you age too much, you go be 35 years old. Now two of you now you can't draw nyash for chair. That one not be shame. We no. We no. 54 years old. You know if you go mwene yowa. Who go mwene yowa? Vera he gets a problem with person wey tell do mama. You no fit settle the matter. Okay, you want enter inside, may you dey for the center, or may you dey beat Vera for Monica. That's why they tell you do something. The answer is no. As a matured woman, you go call Vera. You don't say one at the play. What it can happen? Maybe the girl go explain to you. Say, see, waiting, make me vex because na something. Now they make person the vex. We all there for social media say then they play. That girl he carry a matter like another thing. No matter say Monica say not send anybody, but if I carry a matter, why you as a grown-up woman not gonna come and say okay this thing you not like her since you they follow Monica, may you talk to her and say Monica also no what only they explain in my way. You call the other one, you go say what happen. You go still explain to you say see what they go on. Then you go call ask Vera say Vera what you not fit talk that one. You want join Monica now? They beat what is they call Vera. You want join her? They beat the other one. Now so you fed talk for the other video say you come out for Lolo with Monica. You join one side. Say like say you know you for ask question. Now the same thing now you see they do now. You know they ask question. You want join one? They beat the other one. This one now when you want join now, this Vera no will handle banana. In no age George, maybe go date the same age with your pikin. Yeah, where with social media. Yeah, where with social media. You know fit settle two of them. Because not be said the matter now, maybe you don't take where they quarrel. You don't feel call this one, talk to them. You see, say they not agree. You go leave the matter without you not put yourself on his side. If you come and you say, hey, we want to see the truth, because why you know why you feel beg your done it. That one never insults, he never talk to you. You go, they shook your hand, they shook your leg for a body. Definitely the girl go come and come insult you. Now the other thing be that one. Because if you want to come and come analyze something, not use it directly, they insult one, may you leave the other side. No insult anybody. Analyze what you want to analyze. Come on for there. Why done it? Because sometimes I go they talk, say, what did they do some of our people? If you wear one way, if you wear one way, carry woman, you can't they pay, and the thing can pay more than they listen.
Monica, Monica, we may shabby. When I'm young, no shabby, no muse, where I move. It's no me shabby. When I'm no muse, where they jamu, no where muse 7 million. Vera. Why I grew, I don't know what happened. As a teacher, my presenter, like back, the last video. Oh, a back, we get Bobby Kulega. Why you Vera back with the last video? Because I take back because of so or passport in Nigeria passport, no, mama can wear. The name no why we Japanese. Vera. Who take me go ferry you or you with Dinoche? Where tell my family I shall go make him a bashago. Oh, you where? On you have a social media who.
Hey, now this one. Yeah, boy, yo. Why you go put her sister? Hi. Oh, Jama so me. When you know, say, if her sister hear this, that small girl, I think she says she did 32, I be 33 years. That girl go come for you. You know they pay you. You know they pay you. Now you go come tell and say, or my cameo. If Vera talk to you, why you not talk to Vera? You go put another person for his side. That's the sister where you put now. And you know say they do live video. And she go come for you. They'll use it they do a ma baba. Yeah, where you are ma baba. 54 years old. 54 years old. Now you say you did. See what you they do for social media. A monda. A monwa seti bien. And where we be lian. Yeah, where you be 1122 with social media. That one not be shame. That is sister will still come for you. And two of them down, they don't settle. You see? I got one linya will boo well, no yes, did you see why you they behave like that? I don't know. Why you they behave like that? Only God and I know. You say you not talk to Vera, you know insult her. You see? But one Vera can't come out, can't talk to you now. You don't come out. You see the difference? When I talk to you, I don't insult you. You don't come out. You insult everything. You see? I don't come out, can't insult you. You see the difference? Not be everybody they insult. You not go insult you back. Me, he may Kylie Loma. I go there, I say this one are number one. Oh yeah, right down. May you reach there. Me, I can't vomit everything, come out. That's why I tell they do my thing. Me go no at that moment. I'll leave you, may if they do what they do. Did you see us? You beg even no ballo here. Eh? You they use yourself. Why you go yak to social media? You say problem not there. On monomia when the person maybe say that pikin maybe go there age mate with your pikin. Yeah, the boy who we to ya we powder problem mirror. See that may you think about yourself. If not that one you can't do for social media. If not that one you can't do for social media. Think of it. You see, me I not the insult, eh? I go they give you points. I not say you not go take. You not go take. And the one way you want to do tomorrow, and then go worse past. If somebody they fight, even though say you now your bestie not fight for that person. A daughter away, I away here. Even my own mother that time I they grow up. He go say away here maybe me because I'm they not go back way. Why? What is then when I do away here no my hair? You say they do it do. You know if it take side. But it concern me. Monica quarrel with Lolo. I talk with you, I want talk. Yet him again with anybody. Our social media now by now social media still leave them put. And so the person way brain correct. Where the reason where. Now so it's supposed to the reason. I don't know them before. Now social media for see them. When I know they eat for the same plate. When I know they sleep for the same house. You talk what you want talk. They not agree. You forget about it. Because umay keni ana yasun. Umay, why can't be say now? Person will not find you, they go. You they find her by all means. You they draw the person leg. And when you know say, oh man, you senior and where? Huh? You they find her. You know if you finish, you find the sister join her. You want to make them face you. And when they go face you, what you can they do for social media? Nobody go come and defend you. You know why? Because because nobody go come and say, wanna leave this woman, the age don't to grow. Because the woman way no say the age don't to grow, it don't to go. You know go they misbehave for social media. You go they respect himself. I know say some of you they not beat you now. Put pepper for now. Una not the hear word. What they go? What ya fun talk? Me will never even read that on age self. Also, ni me, we are having a very general ovienne, or dane su boloko. So I not go do what go make her insult me. Now the truth. You know what make person where you senior insult you. If you want to analyze the video, do and where any de do tie bonwe because you go say your man you never hang with your you eh. But when you come be say you come analyze am, una do afile, uma wati e direct wa file that all win your hand here. And especially when be say you say anything concern Monica, it must concern you. Or maybe na ya guanjo eh. All right, one of the listing. One and no verse, and not the see comment or if comment today, I they confess. Me I use the other phone because this thing not they let me they see comments. Person wey age don't see, you don't mature, you not be small picking. You they use yourself, tell they rub poto for ground. Person go they tell you, you know they hear. You go still they do the same thing. That means new ones where still they come, now the same thing they go do to you. Because now the way where you put yourself. I think say Mama Boy tell you say she go change. She not go change it. That one where I do that day. Ooh, what? That one where I do that day. You think say go change? I be the thing say she go change. Everywhere yeah. Well done yo.
Social media no hoa. Eric Bima. Obi ju go la tele social media no hoa. Egbeni na dem yo ma no filo, una filo mi se kwa. E Nigeria vera. Aga biele ne wo gba de gbo wo kan biele. A tie we po vera. A do su se the money na biele jo wa iji mewu. Iji me biele ma jo wa ne. Ona ati ona do ozo, ona ya vi mani rie la kwa. Baby ne zena ni o no bi ete ore ne kadari ade opa no gi nu gwa gbe kebo wa ne su wa no akunu o ma to no eti lu o ma to the essence wa ri o boyo ma kunire egbo ma be ri o we hin vera i maro bi o iwe na ya ni call ijo salopo ni ime mo hu gbe o ku do a vera no wa
atuna yera o we vera I maro bi o. That is the video where she do. She not insult Vera, eh? So maybe Vera not watch her or you watch her. You know, say when you don't they. And as I tell talk, if you don't get that mind, say this person, imatie we na, maybe not Vera do, because me I not watch the one way say not insult Vera. I not watch her. Maybe go sit talk for inside door. Ni eba wata we maro you now. Maybe come here go come if you want call Vera, no go come say we must see the truth. Una no say na that one they come they call Vera. Maybe na that one Vera just see because you know her name. Like me na no come say I want call Vera now. I come say you must see the truth. Maybe na that one Vera see only that one. You go provoke and say boy you can work camera. She come out. She come they insult all the family of Vera. The same thing she do to me. This woman whether they call Iye Boy. The same thing. The video where I do, I know it wait to be insult or every video ni. Then she talk for her that video say he don't tell when me they insult her. Now God na be my witness. Over no you, na be my witness. I never insult this woman, never. But she come out, she everything. And no matter the video on your cockba. Grown up woman, no we let do. Or we let do you. Not the way she not use a man to touch. I was shocked. Even when they tell me for live video, say she did that side though. Now say I don't believe say go there because I don't want anybody put me for problem. I say if I drop her, I'll go watch her. When I watch, lead you now I watch for them. I'll get here for. I was like, oh my God. You fair get me for your mind. I be the fair tell you say this woman the day where you go just want make you just insult her. I get my mouth oh, but I not go give you. Not be now. Me I fair give you that respect. Say you senior me. If we be age mate, I for don't come out that very day for I go they do on every blessed day. Because she say I not get topic. Now I say I go use you to do topic. Oh. People go they say person not get topic. If you go see them, they don't get any topic. People will get topic, we they know them. Nobody get topic for social media. Nobody. Even sometimes when they see people when they do a makeup self, they still they throw away something for inside there. Yeah, but you just they put itself like say the thing they pay me for now. Now know why. 54 years old, you don't know yourself, you don't know your left, you don't know your right, you don't know your mate, you don't know your the one where you senior, you don't know anything. You just left a more way age mate with your children. They'll use your no. They use you as they talk to their mates. That time when me day home that time, I know say social media you feel not get respect for yourself, but it's the way where you put yourself. Me, I don't still take for them. Nobody will come to say, now so you curse me, now so you do this one. No. But those one where they say message to untouchable mama, Tina, two people like that. Now waiting not concern them, and they put their mouth. I not come and come reply them. Why? Because I senior them. So I just leave them, they do anyhow. But if now my age mates, I go come out. Or like this year boy now way senior me because she senior me. I still give her that respect in tomorrow. I will still give her. Till she go reach where I go say, okay, I don't count her for your leg. They need to swear. Then we two of us go come be age mates. You see now? And she with Vera B now, they be age mates. Because now the way where she put herself. Or two normally go that one go still come out. They'll come be age mates. You see? 54 years old with 32 years old. They'll come be age mates. The way where you put yourself, na concern. If you put yourself safe, if you put yourself where, nobody will insult you. And the truth, you come out, you talk as a mother. You know they talk as a mother. Who go on in I don't know why. Whether now waiting something affect you for inside brain, then they make you they do like that. I don't know because some people they like that because of waiting happen to them for past. That thing they not feel release, you see they inside their body. If they don't hear small thing, will not reach anything. Here go. And yeah, boy, one thing where I want to say, this one is my own advice to you. Try may you get boyfriend. Alright? If you my name boyfriend, try to get one. Say this one is my boyfriend. I don't know whether you get, but I believe say you don't get. Because woman like you will not get boyfriend. Na so their brain they spark. Because all women, our brain they spark. But if you get man where they make you they make your brain they relax. All your brain will calm down. You know, call live video. Or you another baby. Imagine you just tie all your eye not go settle down. You go about you. No. You they see some people now. If they come and you see their face relax. Oh, what cool. Or good gear. Yeah, boy, you are not like that. This one is my advice to you. No matter say me with you still get crash. That one we go see the drown they go. But try. May you get one man. No gari no weteni. Ne jini ni no me kenari. Ne jini ni no rie oye because your age no they take oye again. Once your age no they take oye. Okay no kun he. Jini no me fi on me. Even people who still dey 60 years if I think that's their age, you know. You still you are a lady. About a lady where you are a lady. As you talk say the day where they feel where they beautiful. You are a beautiful woman, yes. That one is truth. But you yet the way you have talk by social media. You too put yourself like hey, you be 25 years old. Any small thing you jump come out. Anything where they not call you can't pull out. If you want to see pull out, you know they put on where. You could not manage your man with tobla asa. You see, and now be this one. I can't consign you, consign Vera. And her sister will come for you. It will come be 2 in 1. You see? Because nobody like me, person like me now wait for come and say, I beg, Mona leave and wala wo. Not be said them go here. If they jive no ye or hoy. But you can't still drunk come my side. You can't still carry yourself come my side. Say no. You must come out, come beg. Say really, you don't want that video. Before I go leave you for waste. Me, he said where I come. Yeah, buy tight. Yeah, is a yes on the fin. Then you can't talk another one. If you buy, yeah, is a yes on the fin. Or the buy her 3 times. then I can't come for you. That's why I tell you do my thing. If you fuck up, you quick come out, you can't make peace. Say, hey, oh, I fuck up. I just say, okay, if it happen to anybody. That if you can't tell me, say, you wear them away. Hey, oh, yeah, is a siwe. Off your by. When more birthday by yan. Na here, na be the thing now. When me you can't join them, me I not go talk when I may finish. No, anytime where I do audio, I go still put you for inside. Yeah, have you where you wear. That's what my hobby. All town, as it make it town. When me no get a beni vita leje. Yeah, mo ezo ye no obo me sadi. Ezo 20 years ya wole muladia. I would gbe do agwe. That's why I be. One of the listening to her.
No can they tell you here? Vera, ekelu weto tajini, we gbe. Miami and we left video, we left video the man we get kwafe ikebe. We latian nu gbe jo Vera. Vera, I be 54 years old woman, no be young girl.
One of the year, two na here. 54.
I no be young girl, and I no claim that young girl one day. I tell everybody my age. Vera, we're 34 years, who now want me 8.
Can you imagine? Woman wey dey 54 years. He said Vera dey 34. I don't know whether not true. Maybe it could be true or 35. I don't know. Now she with Vera. Now I come the CNN, the social media. Can you imagine that? 20 good years. Oh yeah, dear Vera. Omo no send we are be. Oh, where do I feel learning the social media? Are you not ashamed of yourself? Yeah, boy. Where? Why you they do all this thing? Me, I don't know. That they give you money. Even though some person pay me, say me I go they misbehave for social media. I may be your money. I know they try. You do it. You want to talk for money? Any money carry your nana. And no, because that woman says she not send una. Oh, we mag you one. Why can't you tell me why I wear? Because she don't tire on another year. And in the man that you wear now, no wear Jonah. And I got go wear. But you think say that woman go come out for Vera. You the think say maybe Monica can come and say they go come the fight for you. She no go do one. Because she not send una. Now the truth. And that really sweet me when she talk and say she not send anybody. If una be really person where they mature, where they use brain. Any social media, I dey gbelegbejo. I dey when this one want join and this one want join. Wait till you they join. You go talk your finish for there. That don't get you when you mommy normal man. That's what it's supposed to be for social media. Why you why ya mommy normal can wa? Eh? You know why when I just no way. When they put you in a head, put for inside. For your own, eh? I pity for you. 54 years. You use your mouth talk. I open my mouth say so you be 54. You they behave like person where they 25. 25. Of you when or over. Age meeting a very hard. Why you they do yourself like this? And later now you call they cry for social media. Push it doesn't matter. Respect yourself. Respect yourself. If you see say that thing want too hot, don't put your mouth. Come on for there. They do all that thing. That you not go here lie. Because you want saga, you want make people come they watch you. What you concern saga at your age. You supposed to sit down, maybe they advise people. But you know they do that one. You know they do that one. You just say as you come out now, come they insult Iye Vera insult or Tio insult Nokba. They not go come out for you. They go still come out for you. Then go still come out for you. I believe say it was Wednesday when you talk for that video where you say you know insult Vera. Wednesday where they for there. I'll say bonutie or say bo. Now make she go come out, she go give you back. But you even imagine when you cost, they not give you back that moment. Don't be everybody be like that. Some people did. Now advice you go say you want go advice, you go the insult her. You go come out, you go come give you. You go say you go advise yourself before you come advise her. Because you know advise her where? You want advice her, you use insults. They will come out for you. Not the truth. Why don't you?
ere ha pie menenina. Una pie ha nereva. Nuka era da fola jajero no wu ewo weto ye gbu. Owu ewo weto era da fo water mota. Era da fo we vera ogwetu ewe ye gbu. E Monica mu
Nera da fo na ta we ye gbu era da fo we ne a. You know sit down make you ask yourself say era da fo obe je ba ni ne a. Lele do. Era da fo or si ele je ba ni ne a. Abe we o ni ati e ogoma. Amami emeta oku oba.
me ate la video yen bo si o e ama to ja me popular. Amati eme. E o se
Yeah, but egume hama we nu jo be vagunu. Egume ta ide ri oni ma ta o. Yan mu we la dian. See wetin dey come out for your mouth, Monica was you yan mu we la dian. Yan na do ya we popular. Yan do ya we ya for poto we the social media we yan ya popular. Which kind thing dey come out for your mouth? Which kind thing dey come out for this woman mouth? I dey come we gbe ni we gbe pe ba ni.
se ni mana pian. Did I?
I dey come.
An river.
Madam you.
Look at era da fola jajero no wu ewo weto ye gbu. Owu ewo weto era da fo water mota. Era da fo we vera ogwetu ewe ye gbu. E Monica mu me ate la video yen bo si o e ama to ja me popular. Amati eme. E o se ni mana pian. Did I webo? Because they are the person that give me name on social.
Jesus is Lord. Hey. Now wow. Now washa. So Monica na mu wela dian, we mu wela dian ni as she take bring you come out, she make you popular. Okay. Hey. My people now washa. She bring you come out for social media. You say it make you popular. So to insult you, insult your mother, it make you not popular. Why you popular? Hell, now I can't understand, Now I can't understand why you they do saga. Because I mean when one time now I don't understand what you did talk. When I not vex, and I can't see. And they use your other phone say they no comments. One I know insult her, and we now advice now we did because the day where she go come match another one, the day where I go come say okay, now today me I work your life. I work me ati ejo to wa ati ejo, but for now, he say Monica with Lolo that time when they bring a matter come out, he said they make her popular. Jesus no bo. To insult you now population now you define. You don't need respect. Hey. Now wow. I want to belong. I want to dey famous. Anyway, je make you define trouble. I don't understand. Because if you the reason well, if you not think and well, my people, or when you are popular, again, you are on this social media. That means she want me she dey popular. Even though say you dey curse her, you dey insult her, you know me. Now then people get they know her more. I beg madam, respect yourself. Respect age you way. Eri no why you go. Me tell ya we ya popular. Eri no why you go. Oga we your time when you be vago no e ula wa di adumane no ata. Because as you come senior me now, me I still put that one say e time away. Ama mo we ade do ya we here. Even a betrue split person na ko le myself. You say make you popular for social media. Population will go along. I be not respect now you need. Which one you need for inside? That make you the misbehave for social media.
Social media, my boss, ya kulelwe. O wa we la video wa gbe eju ohun ta. Di ya na ikaba we video, maka ya da me video. Ima tie bonu we video ni, ima we anything. Ina we tie bonu ni. Iwe ze video go obi me ge vera la obi me ge.
Yeah boy. Me tie bonu we video ni me wa. Me tie bonu we. Go watch my video. See there they are not deleting. The one where me do me insult you. The answer was no. As I see they do this one, so I not still they insult you. You see the difference. You dey claim say you be senior. You know they do like a senior at all. You know they do like that at all. All this one way they do, so you go tire just now, not worry. Because person when you dey fight for, say you want fight for Monica, that one not dey your time. Need day come fight for me. If you fight for me, I go fight for you. She not need that, and she not go do it for you. Life. That one not just dey like, not dey stupid like that. I mean, only if I fight for you, if people see they fight for me, if people they fight me, you can't still join me. You don't see anybody where she don't join. Say this one, may I still go fight for her. You know they do one. If not because of that one, you they do one. Wise up. Why you know they see person for social media? No, they read their character. No, they read the way where they tell they do something. Not be today you start you there for social media. You know if you talk say you don't know that Monica a woman or him. You know the kind of person where she be. You don't see say she don't come and come they fight for person. She not go do one. Even her own sister where don't know one money your own work, nothing. She know they do one. She know they do one. The way you tell they behave, you they behave like person where they 25 years. Because of the words where they come out for your mouth. Person bring you. He do everything. You say he make you popular for social media. So you want make you dey popular for social media. Popular not if you want make you dey popular. Just remove your brazier pants, everything. Just say for social media. Everybody go, yeah, ma, I'll get that key. I'll get that key. You come popular for everywhere. That one I be now. This one are the advice we want give because you want popular now. What you talk? Just remove brazier with pants. You just come live video. You dey see and say whether you know get reach 10,000 viewers. Since now viewers you want popular, you want make people know you. You want make them they hear your name for everywhere. And the best thing to dey popular now be that one. Just forget about Ileledo. Because you not sabi do one. You na trouble now you define you too they make problem. Person wey not cause you, go they cause them, cause their children, cause their family, cause everything way near them. The best thing just go there, naked. When you dey see am, then go share your video, share. Then go even tie yourself. You go popular, just do it for only 1 month. You'll see whether you're not popular. They will know you for everywhere, any corner. Who be that normal boy, that woman where they naked. They will know you for everywhere. Since na population you define.
Mais au sein de vous avez bio mon gars de vera ou quoi les picher mon me bien me pour ce débat vera devine ouais la vidéo ba donc ma pas no ma tu show il la vidéo vera wa pas ma mi la vidéo vera wa pas on essaie de pas bébé because c'est shape wo ye la ye nyagan
ah the bomb me even though me I don't see vera person way shape me lagba that one na a choice to bring your pikin come out or to bring yourself come out or to bring your husband. Now your choice. Now what till you choose? If you choose to come out like me now where they do audio now, I choose to they do it like this. You see? If you choose to bring your face, you are free. They know they say may you not do it. If Vera say she wants to get up, content they dance, she feel they do it. Maybe now what she not like. Because not be everybody they like make they dance for live video. Some people they go they dance, you go they shake body. Because some people they go say I go shake her for my husband only. Now what you like, now you go they do. Only ma make sense at all. Doesn't make sense at all. I mean wetani.
Okay, nyaga. When I'm going to agree me go on. Me name mama swag. When you're going to talk to it, then we get swag. Are you stupid? Are you mad? Vera, a live video na ya fe wo ya la mo gbe. Ari no gbaligele ori e go pa Vera. Ama mi gbaligele re ni se, ama mi re kun wede.
You see this one where mama boy they talk so. Even though say you wear igele, you use gold to tie am. You use you wear cloth, you use gold say wear the cloth. But you character wo, unime wo. Agwa where it dey, not day. You not day. You they misbehave for social media. You they put gold, say they do everything, then they do this one. Oh man, make sense. I prefer the one where they wear rag. It go humble itself. I prefer those one. I believe so many people will still prefer like that. than say you go wear gold, you can't misbehave. I tell you, what see. If you go this side, they go say, Oni, I beg you, Oni, Managbon. But that one where they wear rag, they go, they talk you. Tell me, what see. I'ma make a sense, even though she they wear rag. She like her like that. You know, see person where get this social media, where get Facebook. If you see and you the thing say maybe now all this what do they call it babon, when they call all these people where they sleep for streets. You never see If you like person where get money, the answer is no. You know they show. Doesn't matter. Now waiting there for inside your way. Only yeah boy. So they talk as a matured woman, not just they open your mind, just they talk. Who don't wear you wear igele, you do this one, you do the other one. Doesn't matter, only man make a sense. People wear they wear rag, better pass. Igele now we are not talking about igele. And then no magba. Agwa.
Vera, abana nyana na wabe dena gele ya go gwesa. Vera, amanyo le buede. Vera temi gwegi to uwa kon omoma koko. No go e comment on ba oge. I gon gwegi kwa be nene social media waje u ja lu gbo ki o bi kare. I kare ni me o I kale ni me. Ibi kale ya ni lewe po ni le pressure mana e po ize lago ni ya me na ya na we ja gwa ke kenu wa na we me America. Bi kale ra I kare. Ogwe u wa to reflect. O is the gabi go piri is a go cap. Una le la Germany. Una le la Germany. E Germany no be jena ne e otoka unu me. Vera gbe no gba lati am la video. Bo gbe no ma ya re ti eni ne re ba ma to oge. Ajo nu gbe pe ni.
Na re oye boy nu we na ta we no wa live video we no de. Social media na weje. We no man we ta ni we no re di eni. Wan ye na anenya, ye ni na ya ru lerere. Why you dey judge anyhow? Man, nah, you not got money. You more the contract. You not see and be you not there for social media. You not there. You there now. Now turn by turn, this life, I walk manuya man of your giver where be wa na sunu. See na. That time with the way she did do and she can't say maybe she be alpha and omega. And I make be ragbonde. But he can't everything can't turn to he can't return to her body. The time when she thought say make that person go bring her, that person must bring her. That one go do one. You see? But on this egbe na yin leg begbe. Oga for Jamie, oga turn they go bonokpa. If they use until they play this one, they use until they play the other side. So now they talk about those one. If this one say you must go bring her like me, I never ask, you not concern me. If he adopt the pikin, I'm not interested. It's just that he pay me say she no fit fight for a pikin. That's all. Because he your monoma set it been no ye. E your magbon. He use a pikin te use anywhere where you go. He picture full everywhere. And that one na forever did the ekba. Don't on magbon no on no hurry de kweno. Where that it just they come out. Then she go just oja stop her. How you take stop her? And then no na alone. You feel use and take stop waiting what happen. And then no na waiting just stop eh. But when you call they tell people say you too know past them. Now they put yana pin teto. You understand? Because only now you feel where I too big. I know the answer una. On my way if I no answer una all that time you tare go they long they go. I ga see do here if you have a bonegi for there. I say she on board herself come and say my people Mona I beg una. All these things Mona stop her. May end like this. Everybody for pull mouth. Then when she go come and she go beg, you go say, hey, na strategy. Don't wait here, mugu. You know, now people say, you must go bring her. So, go very good. Well, how many when you must go bring her? Because every near carry woman, no, I need to win, and that's what it be.
I left it on a college, until we're privately. Ever yet, my live video. Maybe you wait about. You know, my sister will take another years on my Guya, Mutano, one of my pay, mammy, or there. Galley, mammy, or there. Sister, where I didn't know any. I can't even wait banana, my meal, there where I'm not blessed with cotton with Mutano, a lawyer, but total one with Mutami, my meal, there. I didn't know way better of Vera. Eh, no, we matter the drama. In a way, Vera, market, na when you want to, 500, no, who were there now, Vera. Only a minute try, nigga, Tamawe. Imaru.
Because you are there. Umaro, you are not
Imaru, you were. Then you go where you got a negative dogma. Because he had called and what way did not. Oh, man, I got when it's in okay, Saka,
Umaro, you are why you dey write for your platform say Vera how markets. Umaro, you are on your bo. Umaro, you are where lads, you even come and come do the live video say, hey, they say make this one, make the other side go pay money. You do and you not do and say me you may I never see that kind of thing before. I dey agree as well when they knock by your house. Wait, you not do it for your platform. You not do it. Eh? So those people now, like Vera, person like Vera now will say she wants to see the end. Leave her may see the end. Maybe if she define her, she go really see the end. Or maybe she go define her, she not go see anything. See, you go leave her for them, make she they do what she they do. Now what she feel like say she want to do. Abi? Because this life, I'll do my do body. If you sometimes, if you they do something, just they think for me and say one day person will still do you. This thing where Vera they do Monica so. Monica okarewe na ene. Okawe na ene. That is why me I not even come and talk to Vera or anything. Wait I won't even get to talk because I not get time. I not get time because I go look and say you don't fair do person. Because even this one and now you even present. She they present that I say they insult everybody, they beat them. But later I can't say not send you. Hey na time now since you not send me, I go come beat you back. And that's how it be. And you know your boy. Because Vera say you send me. You know, say sometimes even though say not a person, say go cause that person. The way when you take the tell now, the way we take we say wa mande u when you tell your me phone, u we say be me wa continue very on. You said you they send me. Who will give me very on carry on. Now I'm Vera do. Yeah boy, you mo get tamu when now because age is just a number. Vera una. So now Vera want say okay, I don't do and finish. Now you when me head go keke. Now so it be. Uma nya me tell the do where I want I feel not do agbe no nya na henia. So since Vera don't wise now, you can say okay, I don't wise. I don't see say I don't like your style again. When me head ogbe na, abe manika agbe ni ya yin. If I beg them, they will forgive me. But you, me I want to tell you who. So on that the contract ye boy. Do man in tamawe. She carry am for contracts. Wanna leave her, make she they carry the go. If she see the truth, good. If she not see the truth, good. Also. Because we not there the time where two of them, when they rev your boy, wait till two of them they talk together. And wait till two of them they do together. We were not there. I be not be every day by day, Vera, they come and they insult everybody. People wait not near and go they near there. Una not talk, say Vera not go there, you not see anything. But when you call now, say Vera, say I want to go beat that one now, say I not call like the way we take they do. Una say me Vera big head, come me say I want here into two. Why it be like that? Why I not beat Vera before? Yeah, boy. Why you not call for Vera this thing? The time where they live video say Vera, I mean, no bena no ya no ma uwe mi rock na leave them alone. Why you go they call for a platform say true to no when ha me na the DNA on the way you say no ma be when I read DNA. Why you not doing that time? You see, you not doing. But when don't reach this side now, you want come run, want go call her. Leave her may do what you want to. You feel call her, advise her. Tell her say now sorry if really say you want peace. You for call her. Even though not before live video. Vera you only go well. What did just happen between you with her, Monica? She go explain to you, say, see waiting. La go in there where mo you talk. Okba maya hin, you go go. If she take good, if she not take good also. You don't say you do your part. Simple as ABD. You forget for them. When you go the right time for your platform, say, Vera, our market, we must see the truth. What do they use that one tell them? Who are guale? Because you they've called her, make she can't insult you. Then she go give her to you. She go give her to you. Not be everybody where you go say, even though say you just write what you not supposed to write, especially when not they talk to you. If they talk to another person, and that person na two of na be friends. Also, ni ando kave buene. Na so it be. One year boy, behave as a matured woman. You will never learn.
We must say the truth. What time? We must see the truth. Kenny no back a yet, Tiomani, I'm working. Vera, when also appear with me 12 years. Imagine against that. Una pio missing. Mani Piano Meveva, what my say with my women, Pierre, ni mammy, no be mammy, not bad in my piany. Ima repo kwa beta mi be gbiri ye. Obi me no huni mami we pucho ila jajero. O mami no clean. Omo no re Nigeria vera. Ahi fi wi we latia. O so kon ya gbalegbe. Oga imo we ko ki meki latia be live video. Till fisi be kanine. O ge de totakpa be live video eri ya reva mia. Eri ya igba ogi yan o se ti agba we no re bo, se ti agba we no re Nigeria. Wo gbe ti e we bo ti we se mo e no do gwalu mama gbon money. No na jiya kie e no dule ekpe ma fi o gbeke e ki okada. No na jiya ko oluku we okada junction asin epo bi ya kie mi no ba.
And then no na this one when this woman they talk so ni ena do ya give Vera why you no advise her? You will never advise her. That time when they bring Vera pikin come at that time, I do want video, I do want audio. That time, if you they follow me well, you'll see say I do one. I know you saw this girl. I just advise her, you know, even though say na €100, they try to they give them, you know me. Now no say when sometimes when you don't born for person, the person you want maybe I understand what she they try to talk. That is Vera, but I talk for my audio that time say, oh mommy, now see your pikin. Because if you were with her one, I advise her. But this one where you boy they talk, so she will never advise, but they go use her until they laugh you. That's all that be their own. They know they advise. They no go advise you. But that time where Vera they do what she they do. Una no come and come they talk all these things. Say, hey, where oh wow, uba oginya, this one, that one, feel more quiet, will go via the enemy. Una no do one. But when it comes say, I want start this side. When I roll la dia, no see. Life in a balance. Yeah, boy, change. My people are living like this. I don't want me to play because I don't take on time. Yeah, boy, it may you change. Even when I go my way, we cannot work better. Yeah, boy, where can I jere where we cow my? You see, now everything will come out for your mouth for a year. Eh? You say, then I not watch the video. But when you come out, una do hurry ya. You see, when me do video, you not watch her. Maybe they call you say, hey, that woman when they call touchable mama, they play your audio for that side. You go say, hey, Oja, wapi ready ni? Una wapi teto. You talk heaven and earth for there. I not come out. If another person, they go give you, hey, no go finish. I know they give like that. I will leave her. Yeah, I can't tell. I can't bust. I will draw you, they go every day. Anytime where I do audio, I go put you. Every document, especially where it can't be say, you be person where still senior me. That time we can't be age mate. I'm not saying not they pay you because you say you want popular. That population, because waiting you talk for them, say, then draw your leg, come out. It probably not they make you popular. I want me like person like me the shame. If we want we turning like them. I go no logo. When elder person grown up person like this, you know sabi talk for math. Which kind of advice you want the person? You not get advice you don't know, you know, man. You not feel advice person like me, awawa. Person like me, you not fit. And when person they try to put you through, say now you they wrong. Like that one with that video where that person for call you. That one was trying to tell you, say, Mama, you too big for this thing. What you they thought? So who were they buying when you am piche mala a naked person game maladian. You were trying to tell that person, say, hey, you're this you were told, Mama, damn it, huh? You are not doing well. Really. There is something wrong. I'm not saying this life now abroad we still there. You feel be like say you still get something where as I talk I don't know, as I something where shock you. I understand say you lost your pikin. Nobody they pray may lost a pikin. Yeah, everyone no way no more get away any normal because say money in your hand will normal they not way. You try to go for therapy and the truth. You see this one, so not be say I come, you know like me. Never in history I go insult person pikin. for me to insult you, you not the pikin not do me anything. Now you wait do me something, now go insult. Try to go for and they call my people. See, adesso vengo un attimo. 2 minuti. So my people, now be that one. All right, try to go for therapy and see what is going on, because that's the way where something happen to like that, you need therapy. Now abroad we still there, you need therapy to put yourself in order. Not be social media the worst thing now for you. You need that. Where you need that. I feel they tell you now, maybe you don't go before, maybe you not finish your therapy, you need to finish. Try to put yourself to forget waiting pass, because it still they hurt you for inside body. Now make you know they listen and you know they think before you do something. It didn't happen like that. So my people, me I live on a time, don't go. One love, keep us together. Help me to share it. Even we can go way who can again do we many woman, so you don't fair do me see as a pain. You better not look your video. She come and she give her to you. You not watch my video and not insult you. You still come out. You do it to me. You see say real life in Angel. So one love, keep us together. Wa bye bye. Wa ciao. Na bye bye.